Hi. I think you're cute. Yeah, you're cute. You are so, like, cute. Look. It's a retainer. I have two. Two retainers. But you're really cute. I have a bouncy chair. I like spinning like this. It's fun because I feel like I'm in a twister. Yeah. I'm in a twister. Well, not a twister, a tornado. Yeah. But you're very cute. Oh, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. Oh, wait, look. This is how Justin Bieber flips his hair. Did you see that? Beer flip. But you're very cute.